Okay, everyone, welcome to the class. What is x plus x? X plus x. What is x plus x? X plus x. X. Why x? X. Z. Why not y? W. A. What are these? These are letters. So we know that this is a letter. A letter. It can be Y, Z, W. It can also be called character. Character. But in maths, we call it a variable. A variable is a letter. It can be W, Z, A, Y. So we call it a variable. So this variable, we have to find when you add two variables, what is the answer. So here we are given X. We could be given Y, W, Z, but we are given X. So we are given X. Remember that X is Mary. So they always go together. There's always an invisible number there. When it's 1, because we know that anything times 1 is 30. So here it's 1, 1. These ones, they are called coefficient. It's the number before a variable. A variable is a letter. So a letter and a coefficient, they are married together. So if you only have a variable without a number, just know that that number is 1. So a variable, it goes with a number. This number is called coefficient. Coefficient. Yeah. So if there's no coefficient like here, we assume that number to be 1. That's why we write 1 and 1. It could be 10, 20, 50, x, 60, x, 100, x, million, x. But if there's no number here, we assume it's 1 because a variable is always married to a coefficient. So if here we know that it's 1 and also 1, it will be like this. 1x plus 1x. So we are having an equation. We don't know the answer. So here, since we know we have a variable, coefficient. So x and x, it represents the number before it, like a variable. So when we add, these are the rules. When we add, we let the variable to be the same, since they are the same. The only thing that changes, it has to be a coefficient. So here our coefficient is 1 plus 1. It will be equals to 2. But the variable, remember, the variable doesn't change. It remains the same. So here is 2x, which is our answer. X plus x equals 2. Now you know the answer. What's the answer? answer we found it is 2x. That's the answer. X plus x is equals to 2.